What if I told you the most powerful mirrorless camera ever made was about to be dethroned by its own successor? The camera that rewrote the rules for professional photography is getting an upgrade that could shake the entire industry. The Nikon Z9 II is coming, and the rumors suggest it's not just an incremental update, it's a complete reimagining of what's possible in a flagship camera. Hey everyone, welcome to Alt Buzz. Today we're diving deep into what could be the most anticipated camera of 2025. If you're as excited about the future of photography as we are, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any breaking news about the Nikon Z9 II or any other camera that might change the game in the coming months. When Nikon released the original Z9 back in 2021, it wasn't just another flagship camera, it was a statement. A statement that said Nikon wasn't just adapting to the mirrorless revolution, they were ready to lead it. The Z9 quickly became the gold standard for professionals who demanded uncompromising performance in a mirrorless body. From wildlife photographers capturing birds in flight to sports photographers on the sidelines of the biggest events in the world, the Z9 delivered time and time again. The original Z9 was Nikon's first true professional mirrorless body, and it came swinging with a 45 megapixel stacked sensor, groundbreaking autofocus capabilities, and video specs that made dedicated cinema cameras nervous. It did all this without a mechanical shutter, a bold move that signaled Nikon's confidence in their electronic shutter technology. But the camera world never stands still. Nikon knows that to stay at the top, they need to push the boundaries even further with the Z9 II. So the burning question becomes, what could Nikon possibly improve to make the Z9 II the ultimate professional camera for 2025 and beyond? Let's explore what the leaks and rumors are telling us. According to industry insiders and reliable rumor sites, the Nikon Z9 II is shaping up to be a monster of a camera. At its heart will likely be a new 48 megapixel stacked CMOS sensor. While this might seem like a modest bump from the original Z9's 45 megapixels, it's not just about resolution. The new sensor is rumored to have significantly improved readout speeds, dynamic range, and noise performance. The autofocus system is where things get really interesting. The original Z9 already had one of the most capable AF systems on the market, but the Z9 II is expected to introduce a dual-pixel AF system with enhanced AI capabilities. This means better subject recognition, more reliable tracking, and the ability to maintain focus in even more challenging conditions. Wildlife photographers rejoice. The Z9 II might be able to track a bird against complex backgrounds with even greater precision than before. Video capabilities are expected to take another leap forward. The Z9 is rumored to offer 8K video at up to 60 frames per second in RAW format and 4K at an impressive 120 frames per second. This would make it not just a stills powerhouse, but potentially the most versatile hybrid camera for professional filmmakers who don't want to compromise on either side of the photo-video equation. Low-light performance is another area where the Z9 II might excel. With an expected ISO range from 64 to 102,400, expandable even further, it could potentially outshine both Canon and Sony's offerings. Imagine being able to shoot in near darkness and still produce clean, professional quality images. The physical design isn't expected to change dramatically. Nikon got a lot right with the original Z9's ergonomics. However, we might see refinements to the 3.2-inch touchscreen for better articulation, possibly allowing for more flexible shooting angles while maintaining the durability professional photographers demand. In terms of connectivity and workflow enhancements, the Z9 II will likely come equipped with all the modern essentials: Wi-Fi, Ethernet, USB-C, and HDMI ports that support the latest standards. More importantly, Nikon might introduce new features to streamline the professional workflow, from faster wireless transfer rates to enhanced tethering capabilities. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are concerns among Nikon fans about a few potential limitations. Battery life, while excellent for a mirrorless camera in the original Z9, might still not match the endurance of flagship DSLRs. There's also the question of card formats. Will Nikon stick with the dual CF Express Type B slots or introduce something new? And perhaps most importantly, will the price point remain competitive as more features are added? Where Nikon has traditionally excelled is in color science, weather sealing, and ergonomics. Many photographers swear by the Nikon look, that special quality in the colors and tones that just feels right. If the Z9 II can maintain these strengths while pushing technical boundaries, it could remain the preferred tool for many professionals. When it comes to pricing and availability, we're looking at a likely announcement in the fourth quarter of 2025, with units shipping shortly after. Given the current market conditions and the original Z9's launch price of $5,500, we're expecting the Z9 II to come in around $6,000. That's a significant investment, but for professionals who make their living with their camera, the right tool is worth every penny. So will the Nikon Z9 II be the best professional mirrorless camera of 2025? Or will Canon and Sony steal the crown? The truth is, we're entering an era where the differences between these flagship cameras are becoming more about preference and specific use cases than objective superiority. A wildlife photographer might prefer the Nikon's autofocus system, while a portrait photographer might lean toward Canon's color science, and a hybrid shooter might opt for Sony's video capabilities. What's your take? Will the Z9 II be your next dream camera, or are you waiting to see what Canon and Sony bring to the table? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Nikon Z9 II rumors, make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable notifications so you don't miss our hands-on review when this beast finally drops. We'd also love to hear your thoughts in the comments. What feature are you most excited about in the Z9 II? Want to support the channel? Consider sending a super thanks or joining our membership for exclusive content, early access to videos, and direct Q&A sessions with our team of photography experts. Until next time, this is Alt Buzz, keeping you ahead of the curve in the world of photography. See you in the next one.